morning again. I haven't been videotaping for a long time. But you know what? I got this Instant Pot for my Christmas, as my Christmas present. See? See how beautiful this is? From my beloved daughters, Natalie and Ashley. Ooh, mwah. Love my kids. So I have this beautiful pot. What am I gonna do with it? I'm gonna cook. So this is it's maiden voyage. We're gonna get started. Today I'm going to cook pork rib. So here we go. Okay, so I have I went to the Tao market, what we call Baijia. It was open in September of last year, very close to where I live. So I went over there and I bought two strips of ribs, 1 inch wide, a little bit over it. So I have defrosted, but I'm gonna blanch it in the boiling water. As you can see, I have water boiling here, and I'm gonna blanch it, and then after that I'm gonna put it in an Instant Pot and see what happens. Okay, here we go. Alright, I'm gonna open this for the very first time. As you can see, this is brand new. I never used it before, so I don't even know how to open it. I don't know what's inside. Is a genie going to come out? Let's find out. Oh! Well, no genie here, but I do have, I have a measuring cup, a ladle, and this is for scooping out the rice. Okay, so we got that. Ooh, I like this. Not sure what you would use this for.
Steamer?
Maybe, I don't know. Okay. And this, Instant Pot. I think it's invented by a Taiwanese Canadian. I have always been afraid of pressure cooker. Okay, always afraid. Never owned one. I have all kinds of gadgets except for pressure cooker. I'm a foodie, but a pressure cooker, I always think it's gonna blow up and the pot is gonna fly and onto the ceiling. Oh my God. I hope it doesn't happen this time.
Open the door, boy. How we use this?
I just rinsed it with tap water and dried it. Okay, I'm going to do the same for the top, you know. I'm just gonna rinse it. I hope I don't ruin it, but anyway. Okay, so anyway, I'm still getting rid of the blood here, and dun. All right, so I'm gonna put pumpkin and also the big giant winter melon, a gift from Julie. I'm gonna put these in the stew, okay? But one more of caution, if you have pets, such as my beautiful Star,
Hi.
she is a mix of many different dogs. Make sure you assure your pet to a safe location in case you have kitchen malfunction. Your pet wouldn't be hurt. So come on, Star. She doesn't want to move because she knows I have food here. She can smell it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to feed her something and make her go away for the time being.
Bye.
So I'm going to come
Hi,
here.
doggy.
Okay. Bye, Star. Bye for now. Bye for now. Love you. Okay? You don't want to. You're safer over there. Have fun by the tree. I heard you should save the pumpkin seed and either sun dry it or oven dry it. Then you can eat it as like sunflower seed. Okay, so I guess I have to cut off the skin. I don't know. Hello, hello, can you see me? Woo, woo. Okay, here's the winter melon. I really don't know how much to put in. I'm just cutting about a quarter of the one she gave me. So, tomato here. So I'm gonna cut out my beautiful tomato and just cut it up like this.
So this is pumpkin, winter melon, and tomato?
Yep. And I also have some cherry tomato. Oh, so beautiful. I'm just gonna eat one. Okay, so I cooked this to make sure the blood, I got all the blood out. Okay, so let me see. Let me get rid of that and wash. Okay, so I can cut it up now. I think usually I don't usually cut it up. I just put it in. But today, since this is our maiden voyage, I'm gonna cut it up and see what happens. I'm gonna put this in the Instant Pot and add some water to it. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so here we go. Putting this in. Like I said, I never done this before. So I'm gonna add some water to this.
Oh no!
Oops!
Oh,
like
wow.
I said.
That's gravity. That's life.
And also called slippery hands.
Oop!
I'm gonna add some white wine from Whole Foods. I think it was on sale for $2 a bottle. Go check it out. Okay, so. Ooh. So now we have this beautiful bunch of vegetable mixed together. We have celery, pumpkin, winter melon, tomato, cherry tomato. So I am going to put all these in the Instant Pot. I hope it tastes good.
Me too.
I don't know what to put in here, so I'm gonna put in some oregano. Okay, and like I said, I usually don't salt my food until they're done. But I'm gonna put in some white pepper. If you want to put in black pepper, that's fine. It's up to you. Okay, so now I'm gonna seal it. Moment of truth. I'm going to plug it in. Plug it in, plug it in. Oh Lord. I'm gonna plug it in now. Come close, come close. I'm gonna plug it in now. Plug it in, plug it in. Oh.
It says off, so.
Okay, I'm gonna say a prayer first. Dear Lord, keep me safe from this pressure cooker. Amen. We want to do meat stew.
Mode. It should
It should be.
adjust. There.
Oh, okay. So 20
So,
minutes.
So
And
then
then-
do we, I guess we just have to wait to see if it starts, right? It says keep warm / cancel. Oh, it's on. Okay.
Oh, so it starts by itself. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna watch it. I'm gonna watch it. It's heating up. I can feel it's warm now. So, good.
Still preheating.
You see steam here? So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to turn on the vent so the steam will go outside. But this is actually very hot. It increase the pressure, also increase the temperature. Ideal gas law. Ideal gas law.
Chemist.
Okay, so now it's done. So what do I do? Not sure. Just let it sit, I guess. Not sure. I don't want to open it. But I'm just going to see what it would do. Hello, it's Mommy again. I am all alone now with this Instant Pot. It has stopped. Not sure if it's done. My daughter decided to go with her friends to get boba at Asian Town. That's about 20 minutes away from here. So I'm all by myself. Hubby is upstairs doing who knows what. And doggy is elsewhere too. So I decided to put on safety glasses to protect my eyes back to my chemist days. And I'm also going to put on mitten, and I am going to turn the vent, and so I think this is going to be okay. I hope. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so as you can see, I'm slowly releasing the pressure. Okay, now I've pretty much relieved all the pressure. That's how you smell it. You should never stick your nose above the steam. So I'm using my hand to try to smell it. Doesn't seem that scary. The hissing sound is now over. And I want to see if I can open it. Hi there. I'm going to a moment of truth here. Oh my God. I recruited my husband who is recording this. So yeah. Okay, so this is closed. It's to the left. I need to turn it counterclockwise to open it. So okay, I'm going to unplug. All right. So, let's see. Not too bad. Okay, I don't know what it tastes like, but I am going to put some salt. I'm adding in some Morton salt. If you're ever in the Chicago area, there is a Morton Arboretum over in the Chicago Naperville area, or around Naperville area, or next to Naperville, go visit there. It's beautiful in the springtime. So born in South. Colorful meal served over rice. So this is my first try with Instant Pot. My two beautiful daughters bought me this new Instant Pot and it works real well. So I'm going to enjoy my dinner. Hoping you enjoy yours too. Keep on watching my video. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye.